Hello everyone, an astonishing, amazing, wonderful afternoon to all of you. I, Rohit Raj, am here in front of you to present myself on a topic Make in India. Yes, my topic is Make in India. So let's get started. Make in India campaign is one of the most important, imperative, indispensable campaign ever launched in India. It has been launched by our cosmopolitan, conscientious, veridical and righteous Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi on 25th day of September in 2014. It is an initiative to make a call to all the top investors, businessmen and entrepreneurs of the world for investing in India. It is a glorious, gargantuan and enormous opportunity for all the investors to set up industries, businesses in any field and at anywhere in the Indian subcontinent. This august, pompous and attractive plan has resourceful proposals for all the foreign companies and organizations to set up manufacturing units in India. Let's talk about the significance of its symbol. As we all are aware, the significance of this meticulous project is a giant, enormous, gargantuan lion having many wheels. It tends to indicate the peaceful progress and vibrant way to the future of our country. An enormous, giant, mammoth, humongous walking lion is supposed to represent courage, strength, tenacity, and wisdom. So the symbol is. Let's talk about some of the advantages of this supercalifragilisticexpialidocious project. First advantage is to ensure solid growth and valuable employment creation in all over the India. The second one is with the help of top investors, top foreign investors, entrepreneurs, India is becoming self-dependent in the manufacturing sector. As we all are aware that every campaign, every initiative has two sides, advantages and disadvantages. So the campaign has also some disadvantages. First disadvantage of this campaign is the negligence of agriculture. And the second disadvantage is the depletion of natural resources, which is of course a very bad condition and a limitation, we can say a limitation of this meticulous project. To make India free of unemployment by bringing development and growth and to extirpate poverty in India, the policy, the meticulous, the supercalifragilisticexpialidocious project and its policies are urgent need. As we all are aware that this project, this Make in India campaign is burying the hatchet between domestic investors and foreign investors. So we all should support, we all should start buying made in India things. That's all. Thank you for listening to me.